Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita Luxury. On today, we are going to speak on some recent photos that Foxy LV posted on some new releases that are coming out in 2023. We are also going to speak a little bit more about the Ellipse PM handbag that's supposed to come out January the 1st. But before we get started, make sure you view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at marquitalvluxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Before we get started, let's go over the handbag of the day and the casual outfit that I slayed. Let's start with the outfit first. Just a simple button-down top. I purchased this, I believe, from TJ Maxx. Underneath, I have on a sleeveless white tee as well because it says see-through. I have on the Dolphin Circle LV belt. This is a size 80, guys. You guys always ask, this is the smallest size. So this is a size 80 and it is reversible. I absolutely love reversible belts because it's basically like two belts in one. So, and these jeans are from Fashion Nova, size 5. I love all of Fashion Nova's high waist stretch jeans. So if you want to look that up, Fashion Nova high waist stretch jeans. The shoes that I wore on today, I do apologize. I tried to check the website. They're not on there anymore. But these are actually one of my favorite pair of tennis shoes from LV in my collection. I love the suede on the side. I love the giant LV. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love these shoes so much. And let's go into the handbag of the day. Could have most definitely went with two other bags. All I had to do was honestly flip the belt, switch the side. As you guys can see, it matches perfect. And I love the buckle. This is my favorite part. The circle LV symbol here. You only have to detach. And you can just turn it around. And simple, guys. So I could have most definitely turned this around and wore either one of these handbags. But we're going to get into the handbag of the day because I told you guys I am honestly trying to fit most of these handbags in my daily life. So the handbag of the day, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know. And look at my pouch peeking out. Handbag of the day goes to the beautiful Sac Plat PM. As mentioned, this does come in a BB size, which is much smaller. This is the largest size. So this is the PM, and it also comes in the petite Sac Plaque, which is the smallest handbag in the Sac Plaque family. But this is most definitely a boss bag. I decided to dress her down because I had on tennis shoes. Like I said, just a casual look. I tied a bandeau around. As you guys can see, it is a vachetta tote handle, and so I just wanted to add some color and just spice it up a bit, so I added a bandeau here to the top handle. And so this was basically the look, and it does come with a strap as well, but I love carrying this beauty as a tote. Very bold handbag, and you guys know how I feel about my canvas, my monogram canvas handbags. So here it is. And yes, she holds quite a bit. I do have a video on that as well. So, outfit of the day and the handbag that I slayed. Okay, so guys, we are going to get into some handbags. You guys are constantly sending DMs about, and I'm going to tell you why I wouldn't purchase. I am not trying to stop you guys from purchasing, but it's two handbags that Foxy posted. I saw these already in the lookbook, but I basically was like, no, the price is crazy, okay? And we're going to get into price later. But these two handbags here, ridiculous. The price is crazy. But this is called the Pop My Heart Dragon Fruit. This one here, the product code is M81893, and the price $2,050. Guys, this is a pouch. This is a pouch, okay? I'm not sure what all you can hold in there. She has the measurements on her Instagram page, but here are the measurements here. You will probably get your lip gloss in there, some hand sanitizer, some hand lotion, and probably a key fob. So it could be a quick go to the store and back, but for me and how my life is set up, this would not work for me at all. And the other one is the lilac color. Here, I love this color with the gold hardware. It is so beautiful. But like I said, the way my life is set up, this wouldn't work for me. So for those that send me a DM, I'm only going to be honest. I'm not here to tell you not to purchase. I am just saying, please watch the price. Look at the size and how often would you actually use this pouch, because it is not a handbag. It's a pouch. It's not a handbag. I feel like you can honestly, I don't know. Because I see some of you guys carry the mini pochette, because I can't honestly convert the mini pochette. But that's only for my hand sanitizer, like I said, lip gloss, hand lotion. So if that's what you basically carry every day, you don't mind holding your phone 24/7, this might work for you. I think we are honestly paying for the chain, the gold chain, and it being cute. That's it. I really don't see anything spectacular about having this handbag in your collection, double zipper. I don't know, but I do have the heart handbag in my collection, and it's canvas. I have it here. I love having this in my collection, but of course, guys, this is a handbag. This isn't a pouch. This is a handbag, double zipper, and it's cute. So, again, I am not trying to stop you guys from purchasing. You guys sent this DM over and over again, and I'm only here to respond. If you should get it or not, I can't make that decision. But it's handbags on the website, and it is handbags that are coming out that Foxy have not posted yet, because I actually went through the lookbook finally. And I think you probably want to wait. You guys want to wait, okay? So again, $2,050. It's coming out on the 20th, January the 20th, 2023. And the product code number information is on her page, or you can most definitely take screenshots here. Next, because you guys keep asking about this handbag, just honestly speaking, if I am interested in a handbag, I usually post in my stories with like the fireball, or I will honestly let you guys know. This handbag here, it is called the Sac Plat 24H here. Beautiful design, okay? Beautiful design. The color, OMG. It's hard for me to keep this white shirt clean, okay? So this isn't on my wish list. Even if I saw it in the boutique walking in, I will pass by. Like I said, it's not for me. Creative because of the design. I love it. Should have been a different color. I'm not even sure what kind of size this is. I don't even know if this is for travel, because if it is, the color is all wrong, LV. The color is all wrong. So for me, it's a no. It does come with a guitar strap, which is also white as well. The tote handle is white. The interior is white. This is a solid white handbag. This isn't an everyday handbag. I can see it as a statement piece. If I was walking down the street and I saw someone with all white or a solid color on and this white handbag with some white lubes, I wouldn't even say jeans. Let me take that back. I will honestly give them a compliment. I would on this bag. Only a few can carry this, but I'm not that few. I'm not that few. So this is a Sac Plaque. So this is honestly going to be added to the Sac Plaque family. It's just not going to be monogram canvas. A lot of people in the comments were saying, what type of material is it? Some said that it looked like it's rubber, front leather. I don't know. I didn't even ask my CA for details. When I saw this in the lookbook, I just scrolled through. So when Foxy posted it, I was just like, okay, now it's out to the world. So you guys tell me. Again, it's called Sac Plaque 24H. Product code number M21841. Let's talk about this price. The price is $4,350. This is for a handbag that you're not going to wear every day. So are you willing to pay almost $4,500, because it's going to be $4,500 with tax or a little bit over? Are you willing to pay that much for a handbag that you're not going to wear every day? I have so many questions. And of course, this is the largest size. My CA did tell me that. I did ask her. So with the Sac Plaque family, this will be considered the GM size handbag, okay? The release date is January the 19th. I need to speak to my CA on these release days, because some of these dates are on weekends, and I'm not used to Louis Vuitton releasing handbags on weekends and holidays. I'm used to them releasing on either a Wednesday or a Friday. So I am going to send that text message over and try to get some, accurate information on release dates, okay? And so I want to speak on this before I get off. So I sent my CA, of course, the information. I was in the process of going ahead and pre-ordering the Ellipse PM handbag. If you are a VIC, and I believe it's kind of open, the pre-order is open to the public. I'm not sure, but I did reach out to them just to do a pre-order. My CA told me, she was like, Marquita, I don't think this is a handbag you would be interested in. I'm not sure why she said it. I know I have a lot of monogram. I have plenty monogram and Vachetta handbags in my collection. She was like, she doesn't think this would be a handbag that will actually go with the handbags in my collection. She said she would still do the pre-order for me, but she's just giving me a heads up. She said that she knows that I will be returning. So I am so thankful that one of my beautiful followers on Instagram, she sent over her vintage piece, okay? She said she's been having it over 20 years. Very beautiful, guys. I have compared the vintage versus the 2023 that is soon to come out. I do love the zipper compartment at the front. I do. I feel like that is a bonus, okay? So I'm not sure. I sent her a text message asking, like, is it something I need to know? What is it? Why did you say this? Is it because I have a lot of monogram and, like I said, Vachetta handbags in my collection? What is going on? I also want to get some information on the strap. Is it a Vachetta strap? Are they going to put a twist to it? Are they going to add a monogram canvas strap like the Pochette Matisse? So I sent her over all of that information, guys. I am just waiting on a response. I know she is out celebrating her anniversary. So whenever she responds, I am going to let you guys know. I want to update on the price. A lot of people are telling me that it's very, very expensive now. And for the size, it's too much. So if you have the price, if your CA already told you the price, please let me know. I am waiting on that information. This handbag was not in the lookbook for me. So guys, let me know. But I think this is very beautiful as a vintage piece. But I am more interested in the zipper. And I am also interested in why she believes this handbag doesn't go or wouldn't fit my lifestyle. So if you guys are honestly purchasing this handbag, if you are passing on the handbag, and if you do have the vintage piece like I asked in last video, let me know, how is the upkeep? Do you like the handbag? How often do you carry the handbag? These are questions I want to know. I am really, really trying to shop actually better when I'm picking out handbags. I do not want the same duplicate handbags in my collection. So if she's speaking on the monogram and Vachetta, of course, I am now thinking about that. I wasn't thinking about that at first, but like I said, I love handbags, but I also want to purchase smarter. I want to have handbags in my collection that I am honestly going to use. And so if it's going to take away from another monogram and vachetta handbag in my collection, maybe I need to sell some of these handbags, you know, monogram and vachetta handbags to purchase that one. I don't know. Just let me know, guys, what you think. Am I making a good choice here? Is my CA kind of right in this aspect? I really want to know, because I really do like the handbag, but it's a difference between wanting and needing. You guys know that I speak on that all the time. So guys, be careful when you are purchasing or pre-ordering the pouch. Please, okay, let's think things all the way through. I am doing the same with Ellipse PM. I want you guys to do the same, because some of you guys already have your mind made up on the heart pouch. And I think you need to not reconsider, like I said, just think things through, okay? We are making smart boss moves for 2023. I am with you guys as well. We see these handbags. We feel like we need them. They're just wants. This is just something that we want. We have handbags in our collection. So again, let's do this together. You guys help me. I help you guys. Let's encourage each other, and let's purchase smart going into 2023. And also, before I end this video, I don't see any reverse monogram in the lookbooks. I do see a key pouch. But I do not see anything else reverse monogram in the lookbook. Am I overlooking something? I sent a message to Foxy. I don't see anything reverse monogram. I don't know what's going on. I do not see the reverse monogram crossbody handbag either. So, just giving you guys a heads up. So, as always, let's chit chat in the comments. Let's help each other. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye bye.